Do you want to use the double tap gesture to receive calls on your Apple Watch? It's super easy and you can answer calls without even touching the Apple Watch screen. In this video, I'll show you two methods on how to use the double tap feature to receive calls on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure you're using Apple Watch Series 9 or Apple Watch Ultra 2. Method 1. On your Apple Watch, open the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Gestures. Now toggle on the double tap. Before doing this, make sure to disable Accessibility mode if it asks. Here you can customize what double tap does for playback and Smart Stack. The action for answering calls is generally fixed. So now make a call. And tap your index finger and thumb together twice to answer a call. Method 2. Using the Watch app on your iPhone. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch from the bottom. Scroll down and tap Gestures. Now toggle on the double tap. Adjust the settings for playback and Smart Stack as desired. And that's it. These are the methods to use the double tap feature to receive calls on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.